Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep Renegade into neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is completely stopped. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, simply move the gear selector to the N position. This is the standard method for engaging neutral when your vehicle has power and is operating normally. It's a straightforward process for everyday situations like brief stops or preparing for a tow. If your Renegade has a dead battery or is stuck in park, you'll need to use the emergency neutral release. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, carefully lift the shifter boot or bezel to expose the override mechanism. Locate the small access hole, insert a small tool like a pen or screwdriver, and press the release lever down. While holding it, move the shifter to neutral. Safety is paramount when using neutral. Always engage the parking brake immediately after shifting into neutral, especially if you're exiting the vehicle. Never turn off the engine while driving in neutral, as this can reduce control and disable power steering and brakes. If your Renegade is being towed, ensure the steering wheel is unlocked to prevent damage and allow for proper maneuvering. Knowing when to use neutral is important. It's primarily used for towing your vehicle, especially if it needs to be moved without engine power. Neutral is also appropriate for automatic car washes where the vehicle needs to roll freely. However, avoid coasting in neutral to save fuel. This practice is generally unsafe and can lead to loss of control, as well as potential transmission wear over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.